Yay! Chase! Alright, let's do a really good one, okay?
You get to do face painting. George, you got one. Who's Santa? Oh, Santa Claus. Oh, yeah.
Close eyes, honey. Don't squeeze. Don't squeeze.
Aiden, don't do that.
Don't squeeze, honey. Make your eyes very soft for me, baby, so that it doesn't have any wrinkles. That's better. There we go. That's good. Oh my gosh, you look so cute. You look so cute already. Okay, honey, I'm gonna dry your eyes now so it doesn't bother you, okay? Good job, sweetie. You're so cute already.
No, don't forget.
I'm gonna do your ears.
No, don't forget the nose.
I'm gonna do that. I'm gonna save that for until it dries a little bit because I want it to come out nice. Okay, so I gotta let that yellow dry for a minute. So cute. You want to see yourself so far? So far.
Can you do the nose?
Yeah, you totally need your nose.
Now, can I see?
Want another peek? Yeah, you're almost done. I'm still saving that nose for a minute. Okay, I'm gonna do your mouth now. So close mouth. Good. Guess what? It's time for your nose. It's time for your nose. Here, don't touch that. Don't want to drip it. Not quite dry.
Can I have another peek? Another peek?
our chase.
Now can I get
Wait,
out
I'm
now?
gonna take a picture.